Hi! First, brown 1 pound of lean ground beef in a skillet over medium-high heat. Break it up with a spatula as it cooks and keep an eye on it until it's fully browned and no pink remains. This step sets the foundation for your burrito filling, so make sure it's evenly cooked. By the way, since many of you ask about this non-stick frying pan that I use, after trying several, I found one that really makes a difference. I'll leave a link in the video description in case you're interested. Next, add 1 packet of taco seasoning to the browned beef and let it simmer for about 5 minutes. This will infuse the meat with all those classic taco flavors. If it looks a bit dry, you can add a splash of water to help the seasoning blend in smoothly. Meanwhile, cook 1 cup of long grain rice according to the package instructions. Fluffy rice is key here, so make sure you don't overcook it. Once it's done, set it aside for the next step. While the rice is cooking, warm 1 cup of refried beans or black beans in a pan with a little water. This helps loosen them up and makes them easier to spread. Keep the heat low to avoid scorching. Now, mix the cooked rice with the juice of 1 lime and 2 chopped scallions. This adds a fresh, zesty flavor to the rice that balances the richness of the other ingredients. Lay out 2 large flour tortillas on a flat surface. Make sure they're slightly overlapping in the center, so they'll hold together when you roll the burrito. Spread the lime-infused rice and warm beans evenly over one of the tortillas. This creates a solid base layer that helps hold everything in place. Add the seasoned ground beef, cup of corn kernels, 1 cup of shredded Mexican blend cheese, and slices from 1 avocado on top of the rice and beans. Distribute everything evenly, so each bite is packed with flavor. Place the second tortilla on top of the fillings. This double tortilla trick ensures your burrito stays intact, even with all those delicious ingredients inside. Fold in the sides of the tortillas and roll the burrito tightly from the bottom up. Take your time hair rolling it snugly is the secret to a perfect burrito. If you want a warm, crispy burrito, bake it in a preheated oven at 350°F for 15-20 minutes. This step is optional, but it adds a nice texture to the tortillas. Finally, garnish your burrito with a cup of sour cream and additional chopped scallions before serving. Slice it in half to reveal all those layers of goodness, and enjoy! And that's how you make this delicious recipe. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more recipes like this one.